Hi everyone, it's raining again here in Madrid. Ilang days nang umuulan guys. Look, it's raining. It's raining again. Rainy afternoon here in Madrid. How are you all guys? Kumustang lahat? Look at that. Oh, raining again and again, every day raining. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Tingnan ninyo yung mga damo, ang lalaki na kasi sagana sa tubig na ulan. It's raining and it's cold outside. It's a little bit windy. Bye guys, hope everyone is okay.